Hello everyone, this is your Amit sir and I welcome you all in English class, a class which is all about a truly beautiful mind. A mind which is not only beautiful, which is also very careful for the whole world. The mind of Albert Einstein. That means we are going to discover something special of the life of this greatest scientist, Albert Einstein. This chapter is about Albert Einstein. He was a great scientist. The title of the chapter, A Truly Beautiful Mind, refers to Albert Einstein. The title is all about this greatest person, Albert Einstein. This chapter is a short biography, and in this biography, some special qualities have been highlighted of the greatest scientist. Albert's interest in mathematics and physics, and also his special features like a humanitarian attribute of his character is highly described in this chapter. The title is all about this famous scientist. The chapter starts the chapter starts with the birth of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is born he was born on 14th March 1879 in Germany, the city Ulm. Ulm is the city of Germany. He had no signs of greatness, even he was not smart enough. That's why her mother thought that he is a very simple boy. He is a very freak also. उसकी माँ को लगा कि ये बच्चा जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होशियार नहीं है. Even when he started to speak, he uttered every word twice, like mother, mother, mama, mama, water, water. Like this way, he uttered every word twice. And because of that, there were no playmates for him. Other children felt that he was a very boring person. He was a very boring boy. So no playmate he had. Albert started to play himself and he loved the mechanical toys. Even when his younger sister Maza was born, he felt that this is like a new machine, and so he asked some questions like where her wheels were. वो पूछता था अपनी छोटी बहन माजा को देखकर कि आखिर इसके चक्के कहाँ हैं, क्योंकि उसको लगता था कि माजा जो है उसके लिए एक नया मैकेनिकल टॉय है. Albert Einstein had not a good equation with the teachers. Even the teachers of his school were not so happy with Albert Einstein. Even once, headmaster of the school had told Albert's father that Einstein would never make a success at anything. Einstein began playing at the age of 6 and later he became a gifted violinist. एज ऑफ 6 से ही जो है वो वायलिन बजाना शुरू कर देते हैं और बाद में वो बहुत बड़े वायलिनिस्ट भी बन जाते हैं. सो आइंस्टाइन के बारे में हेडमास्टर का जो एक प्रोक्लेमिनेशन था, एक जो उनका प्रिडिक्शन था, दैट वाज कंप्लीटली failed at the age of 6 because from the age of 6 he started to play the violin, and playing the musical instrument is not a sign of a backward child. Leaves the school for goodness, and that's why Einstein had left the school for the betterment, because he had not a good equation with the other teachers, and in the eyes of the teachers he was a very bad pupil. He joined a high school in Munich. He scored good marks in every subject. He clashed with his teachers. He did not like the strict discipline and other in the schools. He left school for good at the age of 15. 15 साल की उम्र तक बेचारे किसी भी तरह से एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन bears the tolerance of the school, and after the age of 15 he left the schools. Even Albert was not so happy. It has been given in this picture, and you can see that Catholic elementary school. He got in admission. He got the admission in Catholic elementary school. Lutepoid gymnasium in Munich at the age of different schools, and felt alienated with a rigid pedagogical style. That means Albert had not a very good equation with the teachers. You know why? Because he was not comfortable in that time's pedagogical style. Pedagogical style, what is? The teaching methodologies. एक बार तो ऐसा भी होता है क्लासरूम में कि उसके हिस्ट्री टीचर उससे एक वॉर के बारे में, डेट के बारे में पूछते हैं, तो एल्बर्ट कहता है कि उसको डेट याद नहीं है। तब उसका हिस्ट्री टीचर पूछता है कि आखिर तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट क्या है? तो एल्बर्ट कहता है कि सर, रिमेंबरिंग द डेट्स इज नॉट द साइन ऑफ अ गुड स्टूडेंट्स, इवन आई वांट टू नो दैट व्हाई दैट वॉर हैपेंड। एल्बर्ट कहता है कि उस डेट को याद रखने में क्या फ़ायदा है, हमें ये याद रखना चाहिए कि आखिर वो वॉर हुआ क्यों। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ही फेस्ड सो मच ट्रबल्स इन द स्कूलिंग एंड ही लेफ्ट द स्कूल्स, इवन ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ स्कूलिंग्स इन जर्मनी एट द एज ऑफ 15। फिर he shifted to Switzerland. A year before, his parents moved to Milan. They left him with relatives. He was able to continue his education in Switzerland. फिर वो जो है वो अपनी एजुकेशन को आगे बढ़ाते हैं स्विट्जरलैंड में। गोज़ टू यूनिवर्सिटी, वहाँ से वो यूनिवर्सिटी भी जाते हैं। Einstein was highly gifted in mathematics. He was interested in physics also. He decided to study at the University of Zurich. This is the picture of University of Zurich, and he decided to enroll himself in the University of Zurich. Now हमारा एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन अब जो है वो थोड़ा यंग है, like 21 year एज का है, and this time of so much distractions come in the life. तो इनके लाइफ में भी एक डिस्ट्रैक्शन हुआ. He falls in love. He had a special interest in a fellow student. Her name was Mileva Mary. This is the image of Mileva Mary. उनको एक स्पेशल अटैचमेंट हुआ, सबको हो जाता है इस एज में, इट्स अ नॉर्मल. एंड शी वॉज अ क्लेवर क्रिएचर फॉर हिम. उसको वह क्लेवर क्रिएचर बोलते थे, मिलेवा मेरिक को. ठीक है. शी वॉज अ सर्ब एंड द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ज्यूरिक वॉज वन ऑफ द few universities in Europe where women could get degrees. उन दिनों वहाँ पर महिलाओं को यूनिवर्सिटी में, विमेंस को यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ने का जो है वो राइट नहीं था. बट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ज्यूरिक वाज वन ऑफ दोज यूनिवर्सिटी, वन ऑफ वेरी फ्यू यूनिवर्सिटीज जिसमें विमेन कुड गेट डिग्रीज. देयरफॉर शी हैड कम टू स्विट्जरलैंड. वो स्विट्जरलैंड आई थी एंड द कपल फॉल इन लव. However, their love was expressed in the term of science. जानते हो इन लोगों का लव जो है वो किस तरह से एक्सप्रेस किया जाता था? लाइक terms of science, that watching you, like there are so many chemical imbalance in my mind and I can feel some special reaction in my heart. Like this way they express their love. अपने प्यार को जो है वो अलग अलग फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री के लैंग्वेज में एक्सप्रेस करते थे. इवन इन दोनों के लिखे हुए लव लेटर्स आर वेरी फेमस ऑल्सो. यू कैन फाइंड द लव लेटर्स रिटन बाय अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन टू मिलेवा ऑन द इंटरनेट ऑल्सो. Gets a job. At the age of 21, Einstein got job university degree. After getting the university degree, he got a job, and he was a technical expert at the patent office in Bern in 1920. 1920 में इनको पेटेंट ऑफिस में एक जो है वो जॉब मिल जाता है. एंड ही वॉज ऑल्सो एक्चुअली डेवलपिंग हिज ऑन आइडियाज इन सीक्रेट एंड वर्किंग इन अ पेटेंट ऑफिस. पेटेंट ऑफिस क्या होता है? जहाँ पर न्यू एक्सपेरिमेंट्स को रजिस्टर्ड किया जाता है. ठीक है. एंड ही वॉज एन एक्सपर्ट एट दैट प्लेस. उस जगह पर ही वॉज एन एक्सपर्ट. तो एक्सपर्ट होने के कारण जो है, एक्सपर्ट होने के कारण he was just observing all the records and keeping all the records, and because of that he developed his own ideas also. He called his desk at the patent office ब्यूरो ऑफ थियोटिकल फिजिक्स। अपने वो डेस्क को, अपने वो ड्रॉवर को जिसमें वो सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स वगैरह को रखते थे, उसको वो ब्यूरो ऑफ थियोटिकल फिजिक्स भी कहते थे। सो because this chapter is very lengthy, so I am just keeping my chapter here, keeping the today's class here, and the rest of the part will be explained in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye. Enjoy learning.